As you can see, we have a comparison table. You can see capabilities we have in Amazon. We have security groups in both. Great, we can create softnets, but we can create virtual machines as part of the security groups. Great. We have Cloud Hub. We don't have that one here. Cloud Hub is creating a centralized repository to create the network resources. That's not compatible with Azure. Okay. We have hybrid connection. As I was mentioning, we have point-to-point, point-to-site, site-to-site in Azure. We only have site-to-site in here. Okay, or we can use direct connect if we want to create a tunnel. But that's the main difference in here, guys. There is no way of creating a direct access from a computer or a specific client to our whole net.